Are you getting ready to buy a home or refinance your mortgage? If so, you might have heard about something called underwriting, but what exactly is it? Hey there. In this video, we're going to break down the mortgage underwriting process so you know exactly what to expect. We'll cover what underwriting is, what the underwriter looks for, how long it takes, and what you can do to help the process go smoothly. By the end, you'll feel more confident about this important step in your home loan journey. Let's get started. What is mortgage underwriting? Underwriting is the process where the lender reviews your financial information to make sure you qualify for the loan. Think of it like a teacher grading a test, except in this case, the test is your ability to repay the loan. The underwriter is the person who carefully looks at your finances, including your income, your debts, your credit history, the property you're buying. Their job is to make sure everything checks out before the lender officially approves your mortgage. What does an underwriter look for? Underwriters want to answer one big question: can you afford this loan? To do that, they check three main things. 1. Your credit score and history. This shows how well you've managed debt in the past. A higher score usually makes approval easier. 2. Your income and employment. The lender wants to be sure you have a steady job and enough income to make your payments. 3. Your debt to income ratio, DTI. This is a fancy way of comparing how much money you make to how much you owe. If your debts are too high, the lender might ask for more information or even suggest a lower loan amount. The underwriter also looks at the property itself to make sure it's worth what you're paying. This is why an appraisal is usually required. How long does underwriting take? The underwriting process can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on different factors. Here are some things that might affect the timeline. How quickly you provide documents. How complex your financial situation is. If there are any issues that need extra review. The faster you respond to any requests, the smoother the process will be. Hack. How can you help speed things up? There are a few things you can do to keep underwriting on track. Be prepared with documents. The lender will likely ask for pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Have these ready. Respond quickly. If the underwriter needs more information, don't wait. Send it as soon as possible. Avoid big financial changes. Try not to open new credit accounts, take out new loans, or make large purchases during this time. These things could change your approval status. What happens after underwriting? Once the underwriter finishes reviewing everything, you'll get one of three decisions. Approved. Congrats, you're ready for the final steps before closing. Conditional approval. This means the lender needs a little more information before giving the final okay. Maybe they need an extra document or a letter explaining something on your credit report. Denied. If your loan is denied, don't panic. Your lender should tell you why and what you can do to improve your chances next time. Final steps to closing. Once underwriting is done and you're approved, you'll move on to closing, the final step where you sign paperwork and officially get your loan. At this point, you're just days away from getting the keys to your new home. Need help? Let's connect. The mortgage process can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to go through it alone. If you have any questions or want help getting started, reach out to us today. I'd love to help you on your homeownership journey. For more information, be sure to connect with us.